Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDJPY, US dollar Japanese yen for Monday, 27 September 2021. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of USD JPY in front of us right now, and as we can see that there is a huge up run on the USD JPY chart, and as you can see that right now the market ultimately closed at the resistance level at 110.73. So market was extremely bullish during the last trading session, and in a market condition like this we must be very careful. So let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of USDJPY and what should be our trading strategy for Monday. So let's get started. So first of all, if we just observe the chart of USDJPY, or if I just ask you to just read the chart of USDJPY overall chart, then you can easily see that this market is in sideways market. It's a sideways market, and generally in sideways market, okay, neither buyers nor sellers are dominating. And if we just look at the present condition of the market here, or just present trend of the market, then we can see that market is in huge uptrend because market is very bullish. Because for the last couple of days Japanese yen was weak, and therefore it was extremely bullish. So US dollar Japanese yen. So overall we have a sideways market, but the present trend of the market is extremely bullish. And you can see that I have also got many lines here drawn on the chart, and the most important level, as I have already spoken in hundreds of videos, that 109.75. I do not want to repeat the same thing again. If you want to know more about 109.75, please watch any of my previous videos. You will get to know more in detail. Just um, just know that this is the most important level because this is a support level from the weekly chart. So again, okay, for the chart of USDJPY, 109.75 still remains the most crucial level. So in the future also, whenever market will be coming down to this level, okay, just make sure that you are getting the right sign. If you see that market is reversing or bouncing from 109.75 level, you can always go for a buy. On the other hand, if market fails to hold the support, okay, listen to me carefully now. If market fails to hold the support and goes below it, then your next trading opportunity or next buying opportunity on the USD JPY chart will be this level, 109.20 level, this level. So not for Monday, these levels are constant for the next couple of days and weeks as well. So just keep in mind that you must need to draw this level as well as this level. So in the future, when market will be bouncing from 109.75, you can easily go for a buy if market bounces. On the other hand, if market breaks the level like this or like this, then no need to short the market. Just wait for the market to bounce from this level. When market will be bouncing from this level, you can easily go for a buy. Clear? Okay. But right now you can see that market is trading far away from the current from this important level, and market is just standing at the resistance. Generally what we do is that whenever market reaches or hits the resistance level, we short the market, and whenever market reaches support, we go for a buy. But one thing that we need to focus here is that market is extremely bullish right now. Okay, market is very much bullish right now. So in a market condition like this, it is very risky. Okay, it is very risky to short the market because buyers are extremely dominating the market right now. And in a market condition, generally it is seen that whenever market is very bullish, it usually breaks the resistance and market goes up. So if you have already taken a short position on USD JPY, then no need to exit. Be on the trade and just watch the market carefully, because yes, because this looks like a good resistance, so there is a good possibility of market going down. So if you have already initiated a sell position, be on the trade. Just your stop loss should be above 110.80 level. Just keep in mind. Okay, Stop loss is extremely essential because market was extremely bullish, and you can clearly see on the chart. And on the other hand, if you are looking for a fresh position, fresh opportunity on the USDJPY chart, then my dear friends, I'll tell you not to short the market, because in a market condition like this, it is very risky. See, if you are an experienced trader, if you have been trading for last couple of years, then you can take the risk. But if you are someone who cannot afford to lose any money right now, who cannot afford to take any risk, then my dear friend, do not short the market. Just wait for the market to retrace so that we can go for a buy. You can see that I have drawn a few levels here, okay, and the main agenda here is this Fibonacci. Okay. Generally, I do not use Fibonacci much, but in a market condition like this, okay, if we want to buy, if we want to go for a buy position, and if we need a better price, then we'll have to use Fibonacci, because here, apart from Fibonacci levels, we do not have any proper support here. So, what is your first trading opportunity if you do not want to short the market, if you want to be on a safer side? So watch the market, observe the market at 110.40 level, 110.40 level. Previously this was the resistance, so we have a good possibility of USDJPY reversing from 110.40 level. So if market bounces, okay, if market bounces from 110.40 level on Monday, you can go for a buy. On the other hand, if market fails to hold, okay, if 110.40 level fails to provide support to the market, then the next important retracement level or buying level for the market will be 110.15 level, 110.15 level. So listen to me carefully right now. If you have already initiated a sell position, be on the trade, no need to do anything. If you are an experienced trader, you want to short the market, you can short the market with a stop loss above 110.80. But if you are a beginner, if you cannot afford to lose any money right now, then my dear friend, then you do not need to short the market, because market is extremely bullish here. Okay, there is a possibility of market breaking the resistance. So in that case, you just wait for the market to retrace so that you get the better price. You'll get the best price at either 110.40 level or at 110.15 level. So if market reverses or bounces from 110.40 level, the Fibonacci level of 23.6%, you can go for buy with a target at 110.80, this resistance. And in case market breaks the level of 110.40, this level, you'll get the next buying opportunity at this level, 110.15. If you do not know how to draw a Fibonacci level, okay, it is very easy. Just go to tradingview.com here, and here just go to fee retracement, click here and extend the drawing till here. That's it, you are done, your job is done. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities on USDJPY according to my analysis. If I'm wrong, if you think that my analysis is wrong, then please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. And my dear friends, last month I have launched the Pro Trader program, where I share the best trading opportunities on the market. If you're interested, please go to the Pro Trader section on my website. You will get all the information. So bye bye, take care, see you on Monday again, and please follow proper risk management, and see ya.